Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the DJI Neo, a palm-sized drone that's making waves in the market. If you're someone who enjoys capturing quick moments from the sky but doesn't want to break the bank, this might just be the drone for you. It's compact, affordable, and designed for easy, casual use. Price. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its price. At $300, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option compared to more expensive drones on the market. This makes it a great entry-level drone for those who want to experiment with aerial photography without spending too much. Size and portability. A DJI Neo is impressively small, fitting comfortably in the palm of your hand. This makes it incredibly easy to carry around, whether you're heading to the park or going on a quick trip. Its lightweight design ensures that it's portable, so you can always have it on hand for capturing those spontaneous moments from the sky. The small size doesn't compromise its functionality, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a simple, hassle-free drone experience. Flight time. In terms of performance, the DJI Neo offers up to 18 minutes of flight time. While this might not compete with higher-end drones, it's still enough for short flights and quick videos. For most casual users, 18 minutes is plenty of time to capture scenic views or record a few aerial shots for social media. It's designed for convenience, and the flight time reflects that purpose, perfect for capturing brief moments without needing to recharge too often. Camera and video quality. The DJI Neo comes equipped with a camera capable of shooting 4K videos. While this sounds impressive on paper, it's important to set the right expectations. The video quality is more than enough for social media platforms, giving your posts a polished, professional look. However, if you're comparing it to more expensive drones, you'll notice the difference in sharpness and clarity. The Neo is not meant to rival high-end models, but instead offers solid performance for its price, making it perfect for those who want to create quality content without needing the absolute best in the market. Target audience. So, who is the DJI Neo really for? It's ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and social media creators who need a reliable, easy-to-use drone at an affordable price. If you're just starting out with aerial photography or looking for a fun way to capture videos for social media, the DJI Neo delivers everything you need without overwhelming you with advanced features. It strikes a balance between functionality and price, making it a great choice for casual drone users. Conclusion. The DJI Neo is a compact, budget-friendly drone that offers a solid set of features for casual users. Priced at $300, it's an excellent option for beginners or hobbyists who want to dip their toes into aerial photography without investing too much. Its palm-sized design makes it easy to carry anywhere. An 18-minute flight time is just enough for capturing quick moments. While it may not compete with more expensive models in terms of camera quality, its 4K video capability is perfect for social media content. If you're looking for a straightforward, affordable drone to create fun and engaging videos, a DJI Neo provides great value for the price. Ideal for those who need something lightweight and easy to use, it strikes the right balance between performance and cost.